This is the elevator in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Dover Marshall Impulse elevator, an American elevator classic. Pretty small and dark. Dover blue and Dover logo on the door track. We'll go up to 3. And here we go up. Marshall elevator logo. Here are 3. Go back down to 1. No foam, red wiring. This looks like a 90s Impulse. Pretty basic cab. Very basic. This is a true American elevator favorite, classic. That's right, the Dover Impulse. Here, back at 1. I thought that was only 2 floors. I guess it's 3. Here it closes, and that's going to be it.